Imagine getting new leads in your business every day. How would that change your life? Hello, it's Chaniquestewart helping new and aspiring entrepreneurs start and grow your remote cleaning business. If you want to know everything sales, marketing, and productivity, be sure to subscribe. I'm on the road to 10K subscribers. Your subs, comments, and shares help more entrepreneurs find my content. This is something I always tell my CAB students. If you do not have the money, then you need to have the time. If you do not have the time, you need to have the money. If you have both, you're in an amazing spot when it comes to attracting and finding clients. If you know me and my channel, I don't sell you fluff and I don't sell you a dream. I'm going to tell you the honest truth, mostly because I want to make sure that you feel confident and you have everything you need to move forward. When it comes to the CAB Academy, be ready to take action and not think you're going to be handed everything on a silver spoon. And if you're a person that wants to take action and see life change by the pride of the things they do for their friends and family, then you're going to want to check out my free Launch Your Remote Cleaning Business in Your Spare Time training. Click the link in my description box. Now, if you do not have the money, but you have the time to invest to attract tons of leads, then this is the method for you. For those of you who do not have tons of money to throw at ads, this is the most simplest way to continue to get leads. And it leverages the time of other people. And that's simply using your network. And what you're going to do is you're going to list 10 friends and family, coworkers, even that, and you're going to list them up, send them a template. You're going to say, hey, I'm just about to launch a new cleaning business, or I'm in the busiest season. I need you to help me out. Do you have some time? And if they're the actual friends and family of yours, I'm like, yeah, what's up? What do you need me to do? Awesome. You're going to use a script. You're going to provide them with the script so they don't have to overthink everything. And it's going to be in the long line of, hey, I just had a great experience with this new cleaning company, or I'm thrilled to suggest or refer this new cleaning company. They have a huge promotion going on and they did a phenomenal job. You're going to create that template, send it to your 10 friends and family, and you're going to have them post it in 1 to 5 social media platforms. Whether they are super supportive and they blast it to their WhatsApp group, post it in a few Facebook groups, or they have a friends or family groups when they just post in there, you have 10 people doing the marketing for you. You didn't have to spend the time to send those posts yourself. Every 2 weeks or monthly, reach out to the same people and say, hey, can you do me a quick favor again? And have them share the post. Again, if they're generally a friend or family that want to see your business grow, why wouldn't they want to share about your business? And why this is so effective is, one, you're leveraging the time of other people, but two, you're using the influence of word of mouth marketing. And with that, let's talk about today's sponsor. You know that I am a huge fan and love Jobber. Jobber is a CRM system that I use in my business to help with invoicing, booking, scheduling, and more. You want more time, more freedom, and more financial success. Jobber is the tool that's going to help propel that in your business. How? Because Jobber is going to help lessen your mental fatigue, show up as a professional authority, and just a better person, leader in your business. Because Jobber is going to be the automations in your business that's going to help run your business smooth. Instead of having to chase down clients for payments, manually send quotes, and manually follow up on quotes, you can set automations within Jobber to do so. And Jobber is continuously expanding to make your life easier and your business run smoother. Jobber is always listening to us in the home service community and always making sure that the software is expanding and helping you run your business to ultimate success. And that's why I'm always happy to share why Jobber should be the CRM system that you choose. And you can try it for 14 days completely free using the link in my description box. In addition to that, you get an exclusive discount using that code. Let me know how much you love it. Now, let's say you got some money and you don't got time. You work full time and really do not have the time to continue to reach out to friends or family or do the posts all the time. I suggest, and this is what I do, I always have some kind of paid marketing running in the background. I prefer using Google LSA because it's the most simplest, easiest way to get in front of people. The reason why I like to use Google is because Google is the number one. There's Google local service ads and there's Google ads. Google ads need back management. It's more difficult and a lot more analytical. Google made it easier for small business to still be seen without the huge marketing budget of having a ad manager. So having Google LSA is a game changer because you get to set your budget. You get to stop and pause whatever you want to put on. It's a great way to boost visibility and have warm, hot leads who want cleaning within even 24 hours ready to book with you. Now, if you want the strategy that I use to win with Google LSA, then you're going to want to join the Cleaning Authority Boss Accelerator. I break down the entire action method to attracting your dream clients. Now, let's say you're not ready to commit into another course or you still want some time. I get it. Check out the CAB method in the free Launch Your Remote Cleaning Business training in the description box. You get a great explanation of what you will receive in the Cleaning Authority Boss Academy, plus the exact method to launch your remote cleaning business. So whether you join or not, you have action steps to start today and lock in today. I don't sell you a dream. That being said, consistency is key. Asking 10 friends and family to post once or twice the one time will give you a quick insertion. But imagine asking them twice a month. And if you ask them to post it to a minimum of 5 places, that's 100 places where you didn't have to post yourself, and having the power of word of mouth will help attract organic lead. Now, consistent when it comes to Google, let's say only putting up for a month and saying, oh my gosh, it didn't work, or I was hoping to get better results. Well, if you just do it for a month, you will not see the leads the next month. Stay consistent. You're building a business for the long term. So there's be daily consistent activity done on your part to see the true results. That's leveraging your network, handing out flyers, cold calling, or emailing. The more you do it, the better you get. As you learn what works, you become better and results come faster. Recap: the fastest way to get leads daily is to get in front of as much people fast and consistently. You do not have the money, but you do have the time. Use your network, have them share, speak about your business. If you do have the money and not the time, tap into LSA and get your ads and business in front of everyone. If you have both time and money, then you can rev up more than one marketing streams. Never forget, if you want to dive deeper in these strategies, then check out the free training down in the description box below.